Hello, buddy. Thanks for walking to bush. Guys, a lot of people ask me, Very, why don't you make so many videos about animals from the beach? The ocean. You know, that big swimming pool that tastes like salt water and all the poofy floats inside it. Yeah, there's a couple of reasons. Okay, number one, there's a little animal inside the ocean here called a seekomkommer. A ocean kumkummer. No, cucumber. Yeah, it looked like a snotbolletjie met 'n crash helmet op, without a crash helmet, but just little spikies all over the place. Yeah. Now, what's weird about this little gogoetjie is it eats and breathes through its exhaust pipe. Bloody weird. But not as weird as the pearlfish. Yeah, like the black pearl, but it's a fish. It lives inside the exhaust pipe of the komkommervissie. Imagine something climbing up your exhaust pipe there and just blobs you. Hey, you want to come in for a cup of tea? How many plates of sugar do you take? 1 or 2? I normally take 3. It's much sweeter. No, it's too weird. Okay, thanks.